Let's look at how to keep your Elvie pump clean and sterile. The hub contains electronics which should be kept dry. Just wipe it with a clean, damp cloth. The black semicircle monitors milk volume. Make sure you keep it dry and clean and away from wet areas. These are the washable components. After each pump session, you'll need to clean them. First, rinse them in cold water. Then, wash them with warm water, mild dishwashing soap, and a clean cloth. Finally, rinse all the soap off with cold water. Alternatively, you can put them in the dishwasher. Once a day, you should sterilise all the washable components by boiling them in water for 5 minutes. If you prefer, you can use microwave, steam, or cold water sterilising methods. Make sure the components are completely dry before you use them or store them. For further instructions, please check out the help section on our app, elvie.com, or contact our customer care.